Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to protect your TikTok account from hackers. So to do that, head over to your TikTok and head over to your profile at the bottom and tap the menu button on the top and select settings and privacy. Then tap security and permissions. And here go to security alerts or security checkup.
Hashtag editing Edivel.
So here you'll find security checkup. So let's head over there. And here you have to link your phone to your account and link and verify your email address. Turn on the two-step verification. Manage trusted devices. So and then check your account security activity, like if there are no unusual activity in the 30 days, they'll automatically check this step and add a passkey to your account. So these are the six forms you can take, or six sort of fixes to you can take to take security measures for your TikTok account from getting hacked. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.